Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. We're going to talk about a new letter. The letter E. This is capital E, and this is lowercase e. So we always do a story that helps us remember our letter sounds, like we did for the letter I. The letter I. We did the little Indian boy was eating his food, or was sitting at the table getting ready to eat his food, and his mommy gave him yucky veggies, and he said, eh, eh, eh. And then we did for the letter U, we had our umbrella and we push it up. Now we have the letter E, and E says eh, 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 eh. And now how I'm going to help you remember this is by telling you another story. So this is Mommy Elephant, and she says, "Come here, baby elephant." And her baby comes, but he says, eh? So he can't really hear her well, so she says, "Come here, baby elephant," and he says, eh? That's how we're going to remember the letter E. So this is the letter E, capital E, lowercase e. E says, eh? For baby elephant. Mom says, "Come here, baby elephant," and he said, eh? So some things that start with the letter E are elephants, elk, eggs, and elbow. Very good. Now let's look how we make the letter E. It's going to be a pull down for the capital, a push across, and a push across. That's pretty easy. Then the lowercase e is going to be the letter C with a push across. Pull down, push across, push across, push across. Letter C with a push across. All right, guys. Great job. I hope that this helps. Remember, E says eh,